Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are finally back with a new video today because we haven't uploaded a video in like a month or 3 weeks. I don't know. But yeah, we've just been busy with Dana starting school recently. I stay home all the time because I take care of them while Alan goes to work. And then when Alan gets home from work, we spend time together and we haven't had time to film. But today we were like, okay, we have to put up a video because we haven't in a while. So we're out here at the beach having a good time. But yeah, as you can tell, Dylan is having fun with the sand. He does not like the water. He's still scared of it. But Dana is over there with Alan having a good time in the water. I don't really like to get wet, like I said in the last video that we uploaded where we were at the beach too. I don't like being or going into the water. It's just, I don't know, it's not my thing. But yeah, it feels good to be out here, and it's empty too, so it's nice. We get to have the beach all to ourselves. Dylan, la arena, papá. La arena. ¿Dónde está el agua? ¿El agua? ¿El agua? ¿El agua, papá? But yeah, we're excited to finally be uploading more videos. We have ideas on what to upload soon, so yeah, I think we're gonna get back to our weekly videos. So yeah, I did get a few of you guys that actually messaged me and asked us if we were okay because we hadn't uploaded in, you know, 3 weeks or whatever. But we appreciate you guys who did reach out. But yeah, we're back. And it feels good to be back. But it was also a good, you know, break. Because I feel like the 3 weeks went by so fast, I didn't even feel the 3 weeks of no video uploading. Dylan! Dylan! Dana! Woo!
Okay,
there you go. We were over there, yeah. ¿Qué pasó? ¿El agua? ¿Qué pasó? La tierra, la arena, sand, dirt. No, sand.
You guys like my beach ball?
Your beach pod? You having fun, Dana Banana?
Yeah.
Yes.
Man, I want people to fall asleep. This is so comfortable. I'm gonna get sunburned.
Why don't you wear your bikini and take a nap? You brought it, didn't you?
It's not YouTube appropriate. People can't handle this box.
Okay.
It's called self-censored. Censored.
Don't touch your shoes.
Okay, what is it?
What did the shark say to the humpback?
A tail? No.
Hope you feel well.
That's a good one.
Con agua.
He's like, hell nah. I don't know why, or Dylan let himself have the hat this time. because he always takes it off. But I'm happy he did, because you know how he gets a sunburn on his head every time he comes. Little bird. Anything you want to say on the return of our videos on YouTube?
Call us the Undertaker. We come back and we leave.
We disappear and then we come back.
Dunk. Can't wait for some in and out.
Yeah, in and out again. Last time we came to the beach, we got in and out too, remember?
I can't wait for some.
You guys want to see us eat?
In and out. Should we do a little mukbang when we get home? I don't know if we'll even remember to take out the camera by the time we get home and eat.
I'm already hungry.
For real, me too. Look at them play. You having fun, Dana? She's like, yeah, whatever. Don't talk to me right now. And look at Mr. Dylan. Dylan. He does not pay attention to me when he's playing in the sand. Give us your papa.